guys, welcome in our tutorial how to using one application in learning English. In this section we learn about one application. This is about Busuu application, how to using. Let's look the tutorial. The first, you are open Play Store and then type Busuu application, okay, and then search, install, waiting after finish install, okay, download by using your Android, and don't forget to waiting until success, okay. Okay, now willing to install to our Android after successful, yeah. Okay, then the next open. Waiting until good loading, and then you touch mulai belajar and choose the language you want to learn, bahasa Inggris. What is your name? Write your name. Now, for example, my name is Maya, and then next. Oops. Down here you write your email, okay. Write your email, okay, and then next, and write your password, okay. Next, okay, you choose what is the bicycle in here now, yes, okay, and verification, I think, okay. Now this is welcome Maya. Ceritakan sedikit tentang diri Anda. Saya sudah mengerti sebagian dari bahasa Inggris atau saya sama sekali tidak mengerti bahasa Inggris. If you choose one, now you want to try to choose here. Okay, pilih tingkat. Okay, tingkat kita. Apakah kita pemula? This is now the pemula. Mengapa Anda belajar bahasa Inggris? Now you choose the first about pendidikan, yes. Now we learn berapa lama Anda ingin belajar. Now 10 minutes, yes, okay. Now okay, next. Okay, minggu pertama Anda gratis, kita lewatin saja Bapak Ibu. Next, okay, yes, okay, next, kita lewatin saja. Okay, now we're ready to prepare English the first, okay. Pelajaran pertama mulai, siap, yes.
Hello.
Iya, hello. Iya,
Hi.
okay. Hi, yes.
Hello. Hi.
Hello, hi. Okay, yes. Yes, good. Next.
How are you?
How are you?
Hi. How are you?
How are you? Okay, good. Next.
I'm fine, thanks.
Next.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Okay,
Bye.
good. Bye. Next.
Bye.
Okay,
Hi.
next.
Hi.
Okay, yes. This is the love of this level. Okay, now we on to next level. Okay. Yes. Okay, after level you can next for the next level. Okay, but in here, I wanna learn about you how to using about Busuu. Sampai di sini saya rasa sudah kita paham bagaimana untuk pembelajaran Busuu, ya. This is important how to learn about English karena di sini kita diajari untuk pronunciation-nya, kemudian speaking-nya, and next about the grammar-nya, function-nya. Saya rasa according to me is yang lebih bermanfaat and easy to understand. Okay, thank you. This is the tutorial how to using Busuu application. Okay. Want to play more about the next level for Busuu application? Yeah. Okay. Now the performance of Busuu application for the next level like this. Now next. Yes. Now in here we learn about vocabularies. Okay, next.
What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
Yes.
My name's Emma.
Okay.
My name's Daniela.
Yes.
I'm Anna.
Yes.
My name's Victor. I'm James.
Okay.
I'm Ali. And you? I'm Ali. And you?
Okay. Yes. Okay.
I'm Victor. And you?
Okay, this is the next level, the second level ya. Untuk level-level selanjutnya nanti we play more. This is funny play about learn in English. Okay, my friend, you want to try to your student, for our children. This is enjoy how to learn about English lesson. Okay, thank